Today is 9/18, September 18th, and our title is Vortex. Vortex. Okay, let's get opened up here. And let's start. So a vortex is something that's kind of like you would think of like a kind of like a tornado. It's something that's like a hole. It's like something that is um, sucking things down into it, like a black hole, a vortex. Okay, what we're going to do to make it is we're going to start with a foreshortened circle, which just is just a squashed oval, kind of like this. Okay, just simple little squashed oval. Okay, and off of that oval, we're going to be bringing it down, and we're going to make a curve, and we're going to go down to the ground, basically. Okay, and then on the other side, we're going to do the same thing, and we're going to bring it together. So actually, it kind of looks like a horn in a way. Okay, let's do a horizon line in the background so we can see that this is on the ground. Now, to make this look more curvy, okay, to look like it's actually spinning, what we're going to do is we're going to add some curved lines to make this look more rounded. So all along this, I want you to add some curved lines as it's moving down. So you're just curving it all the way down. And it should get smaller and smaller as you move down till you get to the bottom. And we're going to put some on the inside too. Just like that. Okay, so now we've kind of got this curving motion going here. Okay, so basically all we need to do now is to add some details to kind of give it this tornado kind of look. Okay, so let's do some shading first. So we're going to start down the left side, and we're going to do some dark to light. Now in this instance, I'm really taking my time, okay, and I'm really going to kind of curve it as I go. You can see I'm kind of moving my pencil back and forth. I want this to keep this kind of curved look as I'm going down it. So I'm just kind of bringing my pencil back and forth, side to side. Okay. All the way down the side. And as I get down further, it's going to get obviously smaller and smaller. Okay, so there we go. There's that part. Let's do some shading on the inside as well. So I'm going to come from the opposite side over here. I'm just going to bring it over from dark to light this direction. Okay, now I want to darken this just a little bit so I can make sure I can see the difference between those. Okay, just like that. So now we've got our vortex going, but to make things clear in the drawing, to give a little understanding, okay, I'm putting some land back here. I'm kind of bumping this a little bit. Okay, let's think of some details we can add that can be like sucked down into it. So the first thing I think of is like a house, okay, or things that are outside. So in the distance, I'm just going to draw a little house shape, like it's really far away and it's being blown around. Okay, so there's a house that's far away. Okay, there, what about, I mean, you could do people, or maybe there's like up close is a mailbox, and this is getting ready to get thrown in there. Really, you can put just about anything that's flying around that's going to fall down into there. To give it even more kind of like a feeling that it's rotating, you can bring some action lines off of it. Okay, it's like some curved lines coming all around it, and this is really going to give it kind of that look that it's rotating. Okay, so I'd like you to make one of these today please make sure that you use your contours and you curve these lines as you're moving through here. Okay, it should go from large to small at the bottom. Your land, you need a horizon line, you need some action lines, some swirling lines around it. You also need a couple of objects. I'm going to leave that up to you, okay? Some should be close, like this is a little bit closer and this is further away, okay? So you should have that, and don't forget to add all of the blended shading down the side of it.